heard from Julie much, Alex?
Sometimes.
Where's she going?
It's good.
Yes, we are in Mortlake now. I make a video.
Not a video, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, well, don't take one away.
Yeah.
Your mother will kill you.
We've been 10 hours driving from Melbourne.
Yeah, along the dirt road. It's very hard. Lake Topa's over there, look. It feels like 10 hours. I've never been this way, it's taken me.
This one? Right.
Right.
We through Mortlake or?
We're in Mortlake now. But normally we go right,
Alright.
but this way says go left, so I'll go left.
It's more faster?
I think so, yeah, it's lots of windy.
Can you sit here or no? Can you sit here? I sit there so I can take. Just 1 second. You sit here.
I think you tell your lies.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. It's funny. Last night we answer yes. Yes. Yeah. False. Serious answer actually. Question. Yes. Yes. How are you, Em? Good. It's Australia. It's about 15,000 kilometers from Africa. And about
That's his wife's not in China, she's in India. Egypt.
Yeah.